issued a snow squall warning for Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Trapp, or 19 miles northeast of West Chester, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: extremely poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 330 and 346. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 33. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 28. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 333 and 334. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 19. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Ambler, Collegeville, Royersford, Jenkintown, Trapp, Hatfield, Rockledge, Abington, Schwenksville, Bremerton, and Wisnemming. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution